Hey guys, Mosh Bari here, welcome, and we are going to solve the biggest problem, video creation and editing problem. So you're going to make money with videos without fear of judgment and editing without fear of editing. So we asked people, why are they camera shy? We told them, hey, we make 5 figures per week. What's your problem? Why do you not make videos? And people replied, they said, fear of judgment is the reason for 34% of the people, 97 votes there. Lack of confidence, 30%. Self-consciousness, 19%. And perfectionism is 17% of the people's problem. Then we went to our students and asked them, why is video hard? What's taking their time, their effort, and what? So they said, speaking long sentences, long sentences, because you make more mistakes when you speak long sentences. Removing silences in editing process. Yeah, that makes sense. And number 3 is mistakes. Mistakes, say, you know why, right, okay, yeah, this type of stuff. So we're going to solve all the problems here. Number 1, fear of judgment. Fear of judgment stops you from shooting videos. If that's your case, stop shooting. Our solution is stop shooting, use Epiiic. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what and how and why. Speaking or recording long sentences stops you from shooting videos. Don't worry. Speak or read short and broken sentences, or just let Epiiic speak for you. Silence removal, making video creation or editing hard. Record without silence, or let Epiiic do it for you. Mistakes, and ums, driving you nuts. Use slides to make short video clips. So I'll give you an example. I am shooting this video. I put all my information here in a kind of spreadsheet. It's called, not spreadsheet, it's presentation software. It's called Keynote. You can use Microsoft presentation. You can use Google presentation. I am using Apple's Keynote. And on the left-hand side, you can see slides. I put the slides so I can see the slides and talk about the slides. So when you use slides, you can make less mistakes and make more seamless videos easily. But Epiiic will make you extremely easy. Will take care of you completely. However, let's go. Okay, we're going to cover more like why Epiiic and why not Canva and others. But before that, let's go to Epiiic and see what's Epiiic. So this is how the Epiiic software interface looks like. I'm gonna tell you everything in a moment, but before that, let's go to a brand new campaign. Okay, let's sign in into my account. Now we are here, and we're going to create a new campaign. We can select horizontal or vertical videos. We want more vertical videos. So why cam shy? Create. Good so far? Okay, I'm going to do the introduction quickly so we can get to the meat fast. On the left-hand side, image, text, video, trim, audio, and background music. These are the sections we use, or the elements we use to make videos. In the middle, you can see this white thing is the canvas where we work. And on the right-hand side, these are the slides. You can add manually, you can use automatically, and I'm going to show you how to start with automatic. Let's go to the problem, the core problem, okay? We will solve problem here. The problem number 1 is fear of judgment. So in that case, you are not going to shoot videos with camera. Instead, you're going to use Epiiic. Okay, we got this. We understood. We'll see that how it works. Number 2 is speaking, recording long sentences, and we said, hey, use short sentences. And then we also said, use slides, right? So let's go to Epiiic and see how it works. Let's say this is our script. It's in ChatGPT. Don't worry about it. This is our script. And it has multiple paragraphs. you can make as many paragraphs as you want. Control C, go to Epiiic, go to the text section and click this copy and paste text. And then click here and Control V. You see, make sure the paragraphs as per your choice. Now I kept it this way. Now look at the right hand side. We have only one slide right now. The moment I click submit, on the right hand side we have multiple slides automatically. Let's go. And this one is the first paragraph. So this is why I said, you remember I said, use short sentences, right? Remember here? Okay, speak or read short sentences and broken sentences if you want, or just let Epiiic speak for you. And then I also said use slides. So let's go and see slides are made and how we work with the short sentences. Now we have the text here. We know that texts are important in the videos. The formatting is important. All the formatting options you need are here on the left hand side, but there is something interesting, and that's called wrapping. You can wrap your text according to how you want. And you can position it, you can enlarge it, shorten it you want, and then you want to wrap it to fit certain area, you can do it. Now let's keep it this way for a moment. Now what we can do is either go to the audio section to add audio. Either we can read it and record our voice directly, or we can use AI. Both are allowed. So for recording, we just have to click this button. Your perspective on entrepreneurial. So I made a mistake. Now no problem, because it's not a long video, it's just one slide. So I'm just gonna click here and I want to cancel the saving. I don't want to save it. I want to do it again. So let's do it again. Your perspective on entrepreneurial resilience and patience is very accurate. Many successful entrepreneurs have faced significant challenges and failures before reaching success. Now the moment I'm done, I'm going to name it slide 2. And I'm saving it. Now see, because it's not a long sentence, because all the sentences are not connected, so it's only one voiceover of one sentence. So there is no break, there is no gap. You don't have to remove any silence in the editing process. Now, you can, let me check one thing first. Yeah, that's okay. Now go to the recorded audio tab and click here to play. Your perspective on entrepreneurial resilience and patience is very accurate. Many successful entrepreneurs, we got the point, right? This is how you can do it. Now, you're not in a mood to record your own voice. What would you do? You just go here and Control A, Control C, copy the whole text and go to the audio section again. And here, go to this text to audio, click add, name it slide 2 AI because it's AI. And voice type, I like Adam, I love Adam. Control V, click submit. The moment you submit, natural sounding AI voiceover, the best of the best natural sounding AI voiceover at the moment, is here under the text to audio tab. And play it.
Your perspective on entrepreneurial resilience and patience is very accurate. Many successful entrepreneurs have faced significant challenges and failures before reaching success.
Now, in this voiceover, you don't have any pause because it's AI made, they don't make mistakes. Ooh, this is awesome, right? Here's the deal, and here's very important and interesting part. Now you want to play with that text, right? You want to add image, etc. So let's go and add some image. I'm going to come to video later, but let's add some image to make it juicy. So there are multiple ways to add image. Number one is you can drag and drop images. Number two, you can drag and drop a link of an image and the image will be automatically here. Number three is you can copy and paste. So literally every type of options that we normally use in our day-to-day computer operation, I put all of them here. So let's do some drag and drop. Here we have an image here, and we're gonna drag and drop. Stop loading. Okay, we can use it the moment you click use. That's it. Now, big problem. The text gone under the image, we want it on top, so it's easy. In the formatting section, I put on top. Now another problem is, yeah, we need to change the color of the text, etc. We can do it, it's very easy. Just click here, change the text color, boom, but you want to add a border. So maybe the border color can be different. So let's make the text color black and make the border color white, and then add a little thickness to the border color, and this looks more prominent now. And if you want to add another layer, or you want to change the opacity of this image, you can do that. See, you can do it. So this way, you can play with the text. In this way now at this point, you can make the text color white and border color black. Now look at this. So it depends on how you want to play with it. It's up to you. Now just leave it as is. What I was saying about an interesting thing is that the length of this slide is the length of the last media. Now the last media we have added is the image. So it doesn't have any length in the timeline. Can you see the timeline here? Let me put it up a little bit. Yes, okay. So this is the timeline. But the moment I will add the audio, look at this. Look. See? Now we have a timeline, and it's the size of the audio. Great. Now this way, we literally removed all the editing part, like the extra editing. Now, what I love about this kind of softwares is that you can save your project. You are busy mom, you have a 9-to-5 job, you have other stuff to do, you make your video partially and just save the project and you go. Come back later and do the next slide. Now this is the slide, you already added the text and you are ready to work with it. So go ahead, work with it. Resize, okay. Cool. I didn't like it. So I'm gonna wrap it, play with the wrapping, and then resize it as I want. It's my choice, okay? As I want. So you have the freedom, boom, boom. Now you want to add a video. So when we add video, we make sure the video size is longer than the audio size. It's important because if the audio size is longer, the video will end and the audio will keep playing on a blank canvas, something like that. So in order to do that, we make sure the video has to be longer than the audio. So let's try something and see what happens. Let's say add this video here. This is the video, okay. Let's say this is just an example. And the length of the video is 7 seconds. So audio, if I add audio here, it has to be under 7 seconds. Cool stuff. So let's add an audio by saying, hey, this is Mosh Bari, and I love to welcome you to the awesomeness of Epiiic. I'm gonna name it Awesomeness of Epiiic and click OK. I believe it's under 7 seconds, I hope. Oh, it looks like it's 8 seconds, so let's record it again. Hey, this is Mosh Bari, and I want to invite you to the epicness of Epiiic. Epicness of Epiiic. Click OK. Hopefully it is smaller. It's 5 seconds. That's good. Now we go to the recorded audio, and we don't need to play, right? Or maybe we can play. No need. Just click add. Just click add. The moment you add the audio, the size of the video is of the slide is automatically the size of the audio. Okay, now let's play. Hey, this is Mosh Bari, and I want to invite you to the epicness of Epiiic. Hey, this is Mosh Bari, and I. Cool. Now save, and you can go on and finish your video. You can make each slide as small as you want. You can add image, you can add text, you can make the videos without complicating the process. So let's go back and take our problems again. Look at our problems again. So the fear of judgment, you're not working with the camera, so you don't necessarily have to think about fear of judgment. Even if you are working with the camera, it will not bother you. You just shoot the clips and upload them on Epiiic and work with them. Now the second one is speaking or recording long sentences. You can use your own voice if you are confident. If you are not, or you don't have the mood, use AI voiceover. Silence removal, there is no option for silence here at all. I mean, you can control it slide by slide. So mistakes, and ums driving you nuts, solution is there, right? You're using slides, so you can correct mistakes slide by slide. So even if you make a mistake, it's not a problem. You can just correct the slide where you made the mistake. That is it. Now, question is why Epiiic and why not other softwares? The answer is Epiiic is for marketers, which is only to make money. Make quick videos without making our life complex, without taking too much time, without too much editing, and shoot the quick videos, publish them, make money. But why not Canva and others? So let's go and have a look at Canva. I want to talk about only one thing here. Canva is full of templates and amazing templates. Now let's go and have a look at the templates provided by Canva. So why do we need Canva? It's not for making money. Canva is for freelancers and for the agency owners to use these awesome templates and impress their clients. They don't make money from their videos. They make money from their clients. And the clients are maybe business owners. They have some other stuff. They have different choices. So freelancers and agencies need these templates. You and I don't need these templates. We need to model videos that are working right now. And Epiiic is perfect for this kind of work. That's it, guys. Your problem is solved. I hope there is a button somewhere near this video. Go ahead, grab Epiiic. That's all I can say. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. See you inside.